Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Today's lesson is how to get more email subscribers. Your list may be zero, but with this cheeky method, this secret method, I'm going to show you how to go from 0 to 1400 in 1 week. Stay tuned. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, give me a thumbs up, because then you won't miss my top daily tips as I'm on this 30-day YouTube challenge. Without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and let you into this little known secret that not everybody knows about. Yes, it's called My Lead Gen Secret. Now, have you ever wondered, have you ever lost money on solo ads? How much money have you lost on solo ads? And they think you pay like for 100 clicks and you get like 3 opt-ins or 10 opt-ins. Well, these emails are tier 1, which in English means USA. So let me just quickly show you that these are definitely from the USA. Okay, so basically you get 100 leads a day, but you get 200 if you invite one friend. So I'm getting 200. I'm just going to quickly show you that Salt Lake City, New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Utah, Donny Midland, and that is where the leads are from. So it's all tier 1. Tier 1 is the best one you can get. English speaking people. These people have opted in to money making opportunities. These people are hot buyers. Okay, so let me just show you how it works. All you have to do is you click that button there. Oh, look how many I've got. 100 the first day, 200 every day after. How many days have I been doing this? Okay, all you have to do is put your subject in there, and there is some videos. Put your ad copy in there, and the top tips I've found. Perfect timing is if somebody's online at that moment, it'll pop up when they're online. So instead of being sent at 8 o'clock in the morning and they don't open it till 5 and they've had 100 other emails, yours will pop in front of their eyes as they're on the computer. So that is my first top tip. And my second top tip is get yourself a pen name like Millionaire Mom and send it from your name, Millionaire Mom, because then you're branding yourself. And I don't say, oh, who the hell's Diane Hogarth, Millionaire Mom? She sounds interesting. So that's it, guys. Now, when you buy this, yes, you have to pay for this one, $60 the first month and $30 the second. How you cannot get 3,000 emails for $100 or $60 anywhere else. $100 will buy you 50 clicks. So this is the top tier 1 buying traffic from Millionaire Mom tip that you can ever get. When you buy from me, you can get another 2 free, yes, free lead generating sites. And when you buy this, I can give you a discount on my top email soap opera sequence and 30-day Seinfeld sequence. So you're getting about 35 emails for $49, and there's an extra 29 thrown in. Okay, so just to recap, when you get My Lead Gen Secret, when you buy it, you get all these emails for free. Well, it's $60 the first month, $30 the second month. You will get at least, so if there's 30 days in the month and it's 100, you'll get 3,000 emails. Like me, I'm going to get 6,000 emails for like $30 a month. You cannot get that anywhere else, and it's definitely tier 1 America. So click the like button, hit the notifications button, and I'll see you on the next video. But don't forget your freebies of 2 free lead generating websites that are hot stuff, and you will get access, private access to the My Lead Gen group, which gives you even more free stuff. So see you on the next video, guys. Bye.